This is the BW Space. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from UCAN Robot. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. And with the BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.